Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, it's not hurt. Driving 2025 without a dash cam is like driving drunk. Period. Anything could happen on the road. It's so dangerous to drive without a dash cam. If people would know how cheap it is, $65, the full kit, the SIM card, the camera, and the hardwire kit, plus the fuse tabs to connect it to the car. Everything all together was $65. It takes 5 minutes to install. You have to be crazy not to install it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll open up the SD card over here and connect it. You put in the SD card. This. So now anything that happens goes on to the SD card. You could always retrieve it. The second thing to do over here is take this over here. You pull off this over here. I'm going to be putting the dash cam over here. Now we take off this over here and we connect it like this. Okie dokes, now that the dash cam itself is installed, we're going to show you the simple way how to connect it. Let me show you the simple way how to install it. I want to do it right now. The easiest way to do it, it comes with this tool over here. You just connect it over here inside. 1, 2, okie dokes, amazing. And you just make it in over here. Put it on this tool over here. Just doing it quickly. Over here, you lap it in over here. Okay, go around over here. You push it in all the way across. And you bring it over here, you plug it in, and that's it. And right away, the camera turns on. Let me show on the camera that the camera turns on. You see over here the red, blue, and there's green. Camera just turned on. And all you need to do is
connect your app to activate the dash cam.
You have to download the app and connect it to the dash cam. We'll show you in a minute. Okay, so this is the easy way to install it. It takes literally 2 minutes. If you want to hardwire it, we do the same thing. Bring it around, hide the wire, and we bring it over here. Brought it down over here. I opened up this panel over here till this box over here, the fuse box. Fuse box, you open it up, and you'll find a whole thing of fuses. So what you want to do is you want to look for ACC. That's one thing you want to look for. And then you also want to look for like something like the passenger seat or the driver's seat. You see over here, this seat is always on, always has electric. The seat is moving. So you always want to look for something that is going to be constantly on. So we're going to look for over here for driver's seat and for ACC. On the hardwire kit, you'll find 3 wires. One is ground. The ground we're going to put over here. I opened up the side panel so it's easier to do. You're going to put the ground on the screw and then tighten it. ACC, you're going to put on 7.5 here. Okay, as I'm going to share all the links, one of the things you need to order is a fuse tab kit. See over here, there's different fuses coming, different materials. All we need to use over here is this fuse tab. We're going to put this in, I'll show you in a second, by the original place where the fuse was, over here. And then we're going to connect each wire with over here, and you take the electrical pliers and you tighten it up. So you take the power, you put it inside over here, and then you take your pliers and you squeeze it down like this to hold it tightly. Once it's installed, you take this fuse over here, fuse tab, and you take out the fuse, you put it in, and you put the fuse over here. You put it in on the fuse tab here. After that, once that's done, you just put in the wire over here, all the extra wire. Close off the box. Close off all the panels. Make sure that you put the ground, the black wire on the screw. Tighten it with a little wrench over here. Tighten it and you're good to go. Close the back off. Once you turn on the vehicle, you'll have to connect the dash cam to the app. For that, I'll show you a video how to do that. people don't do it because it's very expensive. This is very clear, has good night vision, it has clear vision for license plates, loop recording, Wi-Fi, anything you need. I would highly suggest you record it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.